Chia seeds have gained popularity in recent years as a superfood that can aid in weight loss and provide a variety of health benefits. We'll explore how to make chia seed smoothies for weight loss and their potential benefits. Before you start making your chia seed smoothie, ensure you have the following ingredients ready. Ingredients: 1-2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of your choice of liquid water, almond milk, coconut water or yogurt, 1-2 cups of your preferred fruits, berries, bananas, mangoes, etc., leafy greens as spinach. Kale for added nutrients, optional sweeteners like honey or agave syrup, optional. Soak chia seeds to make a chia seed smoothie. Start by soaking the chia seeds. In a small bowl, mix the chia seeds with the liquid of your choice. Let the mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Choose your fruits. Select your favorite fruits. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are excellent choices as they are low in calories and high in antioxidants. Bananas, while slightly higher in calories, add creaminess to the smoothies. Blend your smoothie. Combine the soaked chia seeds, fruits, and any optional ingredients such as leafy greens or sweeteners. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can also add ice cubes. Blend everything until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Serve and enjoy. Pour your chia seed smoothie into a glass and savor the delicious, nutritious blend you've created. You can garnish it with additional chia seeds, fresh fruit slices, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for added flavor. Benefits of chia seed smoothies for weight loss. Fiber content: chia seeds are high in dietary fiber, which helps promote a feeling of fullness. This can reduce overeating and snacking between meals, supporting weight loss. Low-calorie nutrition: chia seeds are nutrient-dense and low in calories. This means you can enjoy a satisfying smoothie without consuming excessive calories. Omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and support a healthy metabolism. Stabilized blood sugar: chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings for sugary snacks. Incorporating chia seed smoothies into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to support your weight loss goals. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.